All right, so let's walk through an example. So the student that I have here is a fictional student, and they are a fictional current senior. So that means they have 9th, 10th, and 11th grade already completed on this fictional transcript. So we're going to be able to fill out this full box here. So this first page of the example is filling in their 9th grade grades based on these grades here that are on their transcript. The first thing I want to note is for both the history and the English requirements, if you took humanities 9, 10, or 11, you're going to count that grade for both history and English. And that's because humanities 9, 10, and 11 are worth 10 credits instead of the usual 5, so it's worth 2 class blocks. So for humanities 9, this person got an A and an A, so we're going to put A for history, A for English in semester 1. A for history, A for English in semester 2. Then you see their math grade, B and B+. They didn't have a science grade in 9th grade. So if you went to Gateway since 9th grade, you also will not have a science class in 9th grade. Their Spanish grade was A- B+. Their visual performing arts grade from Drama 1, A and A-. And then their G elective was environmental science. So environmental science is actually considered an elective and not a science, and they got an A- and a B+. So for most of you, if you went to Gateway starting in 9th grade, you're not going to have a science in 9th grade. You're going to have a G elective instead, okay? Then we're going to look at their sophomore year, so 10th grade. Again, they have humanities 10, so we count that grade for English and history. So history, they have a B+ and a B. English, B+, B. Math, A- B. They have 2 science classes because they took AP Environmental Science and Biology. So I put both grades in here, a B+ and a B in semester 1 in the science category, and a B+ and a B- in semester 2. Spanish, they got a B+, C+. They took Drama 2, so another art elective, A-, A-, and they don't have a G elective, okay? Your classes from 10th grade might look a little different, okay? But this is what the example student has. And then in their 11th grade, again, they took humanities 11, so for history, they have a C+ and then a C-, and the same grade for English, C+ or C-. If you took AP US History and Honors American Literature, then those grades might be different, okay? For math, they got a B-, and then they got an incomplete. So we're going to see how that incomplete grade factors in the next step. For science, they got a B- and a C-. For Spanish, they got a C- and a C, and then they didn't have an art class or a G elective in 11th grade, okay? So now this full box is filled in, and we have all the grades in A through G classes that they got in 9th, 10th, and 11th, and we're going to look at just 10th and 11th to calculate their A through G GPA. So this student, if you look back at the images, they got 3 A's, 12 B's, 8 C's, and 1 incomplete. And again, that's just in 10th and 11th, so not including their 9th grade grades. We're going to add up all of those grades, and that's a total of 24 semester courses that are going to factor in. And again, 24 courses from 10th and 11th grade only. And then here's our multiplication section. So the 3 A's times 4 is 12 grade points. The 12 B's times 3 is 36 grade points. The 8 C's times 2 is 16 grade points. And then any F's or incompletes is times 0. So they had 1 incomplete and they get 0 points for that. So that's something to note here. If you have an incomplete right now, you really want to make sure you get that up to a C or higher so that you can get a grade point credit, because that'll boost your GPA up. Right now, the incomplete isn't boosting this person's GPA up at all, okay? And then their AP and honors points. So they took AP Environmental Science, so that 1 class times 2 is 2. Then adding up those grade points is to 66, and then our division here, we do the 66 grade points, so all these numbers added up, divided by the 24 semester courses, and that results in a 2.75 UC CSU GPA for this student. Okay, so that's our example.